Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. I'm Dave Matthews, and what we're showing today, this is a beautiful small frame design CCL labeler. It's a wraparound type pressure sensitive labeler. It's the 5005WA model. As you can see, it's conveyorized with a 3 1/4 inch conveyor chain. Has a pacing wheel here at the beginning for your containers. Has the wrap station, product sensor. It does also have a hot stamp coater by Eurocode on there. And rather interestingly, let me just show you this real fast. When you open up to access the coating head, you'll hear the beeper going off, which is for the interlock. And this allows you, I'll show you that, Jim, to remove your coating numbers and letters, and they close back down. Some of the features here, of course, that I just noted. It has operator control panel here with your conveyor stop start, your label heads. Well, they have a label head on here, your wrap belt, and your metering system, which that is your little wheel right here. All of these, incidentally, are variable speed. Has 2 e-stops located on the machine. Automatically shuts everything off. Then, of course, you have to restart your conveyor after doing that. There's a second e-stop on the back of the control panel. Jim, if you get a shot of that, see that there? The Eurodrive coater does require air. There's a small controller on the back of the panel here. Jim, if you take a look at that, you can see that's operating. The machine's fully functional right now. Also, incidentally, on the main control panel right here, it does have a safety interlock. And once we open the door, the machine will stop. You'll see over here, the interlock light has illuminated. Let me go back and just close the door, and the machine will restart. You'll of course have to start the conveyor again. So right now we've tested everything's operating. So as you can see, the label film material is tensioning over here at all times. It doesn't have a lot of pressure on it. So right over here, this is the container sensor. You'll see that the label comes on, advancing the label. Then we can just imitate what a label would do, go in here, and that kicks it off. So once again, it starts, activates here. You'll see the labels advancing. In this case, it thinks it's seeing the label space to stop it and advance one label at a time. Has an all stainless steel body on the conveyor, H-frame stand, which is adjustable. You can move the conveyor in and out. The label head itself has a 3-axis movement, up, down, and in and out. And of course, left and right, advance and retard along the position of the conveyor.
All adjustable. Roger.
You'll find this on our website in our stock. Look on the main home page and go down to labelers and then click pressure sensitive. You'll find it there with all the labelers we have in stock at this time. We look forward to hearing from you, so thanks for joining us for this video today.